This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VS Code, Git, and a signed-in GitHub account. Open VS Code, then the integrated terminal. This keeps everything in one place. Run git clone repo URL into your chosen workspace to bring the project locally. Once done, open that folder in VS Code so the editor loads workspace settings and extensions. Make sure to accept recommended extensions for language support and GitHub integration. These speed up later steps and prevent environment mismatches. Next, configure your working environment and branch strategy so changes stay organized. Install the GitHub pull requests and issues extension to review PRs directly in the editor and add linters or formatters for consistent code. Create a feature branch with git checkout B or git switch to keep master clean. Edit files in the editor, then use the source control panel to stage and write concise commits. Commit often. Once done, push your branch to origin to make changes available on GitHub for review. You complete the cycle by opening a pull request so teammates can review your work. Use the extension to attach issues and run checks. When reviewers comment, make the changes locally, run tests, and update the branch, then push amendments. Once approved, merge according to the project's policy, rebase for a linear history or merge commit if preferred. Finally, pull the updated main, delete your feature branch locally, and run a final build or smoke test to confirm the integration. If something breaks, check Git status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.